Hello everyone, my name is Vui. I am a member of BCK for Sunshine Communication Group. Today I have a homework about a kid story, vocabulary and mini story. Let's start. The first vocabulary. 1. Huge. Huge. It means very very big. 2. What's that? It means hello, hi. How's going? It means how are you? Ignore it means don't listen. Say nothing, I don't care. Keep it means continue. That's this, it means that's all, no more. To be continued, the second I talk about mini story. Colors by the new car. What does colors buy? A new car. Does colors buy a new car or an old car? Colors buy a new car. Who does buy a new car? Colors buy a new car. It's very expensive car. Were the car expensive? Yes, the car was expensive. Were the car expensive or were the car cheap? The car was expensive. No, the car was cheap. It's a huge, blue, fast car. Was the car small? No, the car wasn't small. The car huge. Huge is mean very, very big. What color was the car? Was it yellow? No, the car was blue. While driving down the street, can you see the girl on the bicycle? When this color see? While driving down the street, when this color see? While driving down the street, can I saw a girl on the bicycle? This color see a girl on a bicycle? Yes. This color see a girl on the car? No. Color see a girl on the bicycle? Where does color see the girl? Color see the girl on the bicycle? When does color see the girl? While driving down the street, can I see the girl on the bicycle? Does color see the daughter on the bicycle? No, can I see the girl on the bicycle? She has long blonde hair and is beautiful. What does she look like? She has long blonde hair and she was beautiful. Was the girl beautiful or was the girl ugly? No, the girl wasn't ugly. The girl was beautiful. He yelled to her. What's that? What did he yell? He yelled, what's that? Did Carlos whisper to her? No, Carlos yelled to her. Did the girl ignore him? Yes, the girl ignored him. Did the girl listen to Carlos? No, the girl didn't listen to Carlos. Did the girl talk to Carlos? No, the girl didn't talk to Carlos. The girl ignored him. He yelled, how's going? What did he yell? He yelled, how's going? She kept going and ignored her. After he yelled, how's going? Did the girl listen to Carlos? No. After he yelled, how's going? The girl didn't listen to Carlos. What does she do? She keep going and ignore him. Did the girl stop? No, the girl didn't stop. The girl keep going. He yelled, why won't you talk to me? I want to go to dinner with you. I'll take you to an expensive restaurant. What does Carlos want? Carlos want two colors. One girl go to dinner with the beautiful girl. Who does colors one go to dinner with? The beautiful girl. Does colors one go to dinner with her mother? No. Colors one go to dinner with beautiful girl. Which restaurant does colors want to take? Colors one aisle want to take